Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for how to delete your Instagram account, you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you the process. So let's dive right into it. Once you're in your Instagram account, go to your profile and once you're in there, tap on the hamburger menu. Then go to Account Center. As we want to delete the Instagram account, go to Personal Details. And once you're there, you can see an option called Account Ownership and Control. There you can see you can deactivate or delete your account and profiles. So tap on it. And as you can see, a deactivation or deletion option is shown. Tap on it and tap on the profile you want to delete. And here, as we want to delete our account, we have to change it to delete account and click on continue. Then click on an option you want. Then tap on continue. And if you then continue it, they will just finally tell you to input your password, Instagram password. So after you give that, your account will be deleted. So yeah, that was easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next video.